Who is it?
Mrs. Peach.
Who's Mrs. Peach?
She.
Oh, that's Mrs. Peach?
Yeah, she's happy.
She's your baby? Why don't you take her up on the trampoline with you and your brother?
What? Mama said it's not safe for her up there.
She did?
Mm-mm.
Well, we better listen to Mama. Why is your brother wearing a dress?
Because I put it on him.
Why don't you have any pants on?
I do. I have underpants.
Yeah, this is like a freaking madhouse, you two. Why don't you guys go in your play barn?
Play barn? Come on, Jake, let's go to that playhouse.
Blueberries.